Hrishikesh Jaiswal is saying, sir, I'm not able to solve a single set in LRDA. I can understand where I should start, but I get lost in the middle and panic and move on to the next one. And in the end, I end up solving none. I think this also is a very common phenomenon. What I tell you is something that I told in the podcast also. When you are approaching LRDA, don't panic. You should keep your nerves in check. And the way to keep it in check is by telling yourself that it is not that you have 40 minutes and you have to solve 4 sets. If you are approaching LRDA that way, it is a disaster. What I would tell you is, like I just told you the marks. If you're actually scoring 18 marks, you're getting 95%. 18 marks is getting 6 questions correct. So you have to tell yourself that I should get 1 set correct. That is 15 marks. If I get 1 set correct, and even if I make educated guesses in all the theta questions, I'll get 1 more question correct. That itself will ensure that I'm going to come very close to 95%. So you have to tell yourself that whatever might happen, I should get at least 1 set correct. And to get that 1 set correct, I can take say 25 minutes. You can start a set. After 5 minutes, you can realize that, okay, this is not working. And even after making that mistake also, you will have enough time. So if you calm yourself down by thinking that I don't need to solve all the sets, I don't even need to solve the easiest set. Many people also have this worry that if there is an easy set, they have to solve it. That also is not needed. If you, by luck, you are able to figure out the easy set and solve it, fantastic. Even otherwise also, if you are solving a difficult set, what is the harm in it? You have to look at it that there are 40 minutes and you should get 1 set correct. Pick the easiest set, whatever set you think is the easiest, and even if it doesn't turn out to be easy, that is fine. You have 40 minutes, you have to solve it. If you solve 1 set perfectly correct, you will get 95%. And answer those theta questions, you will get very close to 95%. That should be your mindset.